How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, this Tiny Home Tuesday is very special because we've listened to you. We've recognized that you want to know what goes on behind the scenes on the construction side. And it all starts from the ground up. So you guys stay tuned and watch this next clip to show you just what goes in to putting the flooring into the home. You've seen how we take care of the floors and the time that goes into that. The next step is the walls. So you guys want to know how we do this half-inch sheetrock? These 2x4s, 16 inches on center. Y'all want to know how we do that? Well, watch the next clip and we'll show you just how. Somewhere. The next step is to show you how we put the cabinets in. These right here, real wood style cabinets. So this is real wood on the front of the cabinets, real wood on the doors. You got the wood on the shelves on the inside as well. So we'll show you how we put these cabinets into our homes. about those items, the next step is to take it up a notch. And by that I mean, let me show you how we build the roofs. Now the next step is one of the things that brings this whole house together. It's the lighting, it's the electrical that goes into powering your washer and dryer, your microwave, everything that's in here, front to back, electrical wise, running those wires. We're going to show you how we do so in the next clip. Next, we're going to show you a clip of what you've been waiting to see. This is what people come from all over the country, all over the world to Recreational Resort Cottages to see, and that's interior finishes. So you guys stay tuned and check out the next clip. Clip is to show you what I feel like is one of the most important parts when you select your tiny home, and that's exterior finishes and your roof pitch and installation. So that right there alone creates the curb appeal the aesthetic to the outside of the home that everyone enjoys. So you'll see next the exterior finishes that they have and the good old roof finishes. So you guys check out the next clip and watch how that's done. Now, if you're in the summer heat or in the winter cold, you want to know how the AC is installed. And this right here in this next clip is going to show you how these inverters are powered throughout our homes. Thank you guys for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. I hope this was a great episode for you to watch so that way you can see the behind the scenes of the construction, of the time, the thought, the effort, the blood, sweat, and tears that goes into making these homes so unique for you and your pleasure if you purchase here from Recreational Resort Cottages. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.